Samsung is making headlines about its next year's flagship phones, the Galaxy S24 series. They're talking a lot about the S24 Ultra. So there's a news about a small but an important design change. A YouTube channel called the 4RMD created a video showing a possible design change for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Instead of the boxy design used in the past like the Galaxy Note series, the S24 Ultra might have rounded edges similar to the regular Galaxy S phones like the Galaxy S23 or the S23 Plus. This phone might also have a fancy titanium frame for a more premium look. This is also expected for the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro models. The back of the phone will still have a vertical cameras, but they could be in a long oval shape. The phone might come in colors like white, black, purple, gold, green and red. The camera setup might include a 200 megapixel main camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 50 megapixel telephoto camera and a possible 12 megapixel periscope camera with strong zooming abilities. The display might be a larger at 6.9 inches and flat with a front camera hidden under the display. The battery could be bigger too at 5500 mAh. The phones will be faster thanks to the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip coming in October, and there will be improvements in cameras and battery life. The S Pen might also get better, especially for the Ultra model. The display could be improved as well. There might be design change for the regular Galaxy S24 and the S24 Plus models with flatter edges instead of rounded ones. This change could be liked by many or not, it's hard to say. The new Galaxy S24 phones are coming in 2024, but these details are just rumors for now. We need to wait for more information. I will keep you updated and feel free to share your thoughts on the leaked design in the comments.